Hello friends, welcome to Learn GK 247. So today in this video we discuss most important GK related to Indian polity and constitution. So let's start. The Indian constitution adopted in which year? Answer 1949. Who is known as the father of Indian constitution? Answer Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who has been advisor of Indian constitution? Answer B.N. Rao. Who is the first vice president of India? Answer Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. From which country the method of impeachment of President of India is adopted? Answer USA. Who is called Modern Manu? Answer Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Which commission was appointed by the central government on union-state relation in 1983? Answer Sarkaria Commission. Who proposed the preamble before drafting committee of the Constitution? Answer Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the correct nomenclature of India according to preamble? Answer Suffrage, Socialist, Secular, Democratic and Republic. The total number of schedules in Indian Constitution? Answer 12 schedules. What is the minimum duration to stay in India before applying for Indian citizenship? Answer 7 years. Which union territory has a high court of its own? Answer Delhi. Which article of Constitution give the provision of President in India? Answer Article 52. Who is the chairman of Planning Commission? Answer Prime Minister. Who is the first woman governor in India? Answer Sarojini Naidu. How many standing committees are there in Indian Parliament? Answer 45. Who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? Answer Vice President. What is the number of present Lok Sabha? Answer 17th. What is the intermediate tier of Panchayat Raj system called? Answer Panchayat Samiti. Where Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration is located? Answer Mussoorie. Who is the first woman chief minister in India? Answer Sucheta Kripalani. Who was the president of India at the time of emergency in 1975? Answer Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. Which state first adopted the Panchayat Raj in India 1959? Answer Rajasthan. How many languages are recognized by the Constitution as a regional language? Answer 22 languages. The idea of fundamental rights in Indian Constitution was adopted from which country? Answer America. Who administers the oath of office to the President of India? Answer Chief Justice of India. Under which Prime Ministership was right to property removed from the list of fundamental rights? Answer Morarji Desai. Which article of Constitution provides Indian citizen right to equality? Answer Article 14. From which country India borrowed 5-year plan? Answer Russia. Which state has the highest number of members in its state assembly? Answer Uttar Pradesh. What is the minimum number of members required for state legislative assembly? Answer 60. What is the minimum age required for governor of a state? Answer 35 years. What is the maximum number of elected members for a state assembly? Answer 500. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner? Answer: President. In which state the President's rule was first imposed in India? Answer: Punjab. President's rule can be imposed initially for a minimum duration of? Answer: 6 months. Who is the first female Speaker of Lok Sabha? Answer: Meera Kumar. What is the minimum age required to contest for Lok Sabha election? Answer: 25 years. Who is the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Answer: Sukumar Sen. Who is the chairman of Kendriya Hindi Samiti? Answer: Prime Minister. Which state has the largest legislative assembly? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Right to Information Act in India came fully into force in? Answer: October 2005. Which states has no Panchayati Raj institution? Answer: Nagaland, Meghalaya and Mizoram. According to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, which article is the soul of Indian Constitution? Answer: Article 32. When the first general election held in India? Answer: 1951. Who has the right to transfer a judge from one high court to another high court? Answer: the President. In which year the cabinet mission arrived in India? Answer: 1946. Which schedule deals with the division of power between union and states? Answer: 7th schedule. British Parliament passed Indian Independence Act on? Answer: 18 July 1947. The Member of Parliament Rajya Sabha are elected by whom? Answer: Legislative Assembly. So friends, thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, then do like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.